Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect Constant Contact with Listing to Leads. So all those leads you're generating from Listing to Leads can automatically get synced into your newsletter. You don't have to remember to copy, paste, import, or export any of that. Just as soon as those leads come in, they're automatically subscribed. It's super easy to set this up. Let me show you how. First thing you're going to do is go to apination.com. You can click on Discover Connections. You're going to see a ton of different apps here: marketing apps, real estate apps, productivity apps. And I'm going to scroll on down till I get to L for Listing to Leads. There it is right here. Click on that. It's going to show me all the apps I can connect Listing to Leads directly to. So if I'm getting leads from Listing to Leads, I can have them sent right to my CRM. I can have them sent right to my phone. And I can also have them sent right to a marketing app like Constant Contact. So there's that sync that's available, Listing to Leads to Constant Contacts. I'm going to activate that. And the first step is to create an API Nation account or sign into your API Nation account. Just click this link at the top to create one. Or you could also sign in with your Google account. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Choose my Google account. There we go. All right, and now we're going to connect Listing Leads. Super easy. I'm just going to click the button. It's going to take me to Listing to Leads to sign in. That account is now available, so I'm going to select it for my sync. And I'm going to do the same thing with Constant Contact. Sign right into Constant Contact. All right, we're now ready to set up the sync. So first I'm just going to choose what kind of leads I want to send over to Constant Contact. I can do buyer or seller. I can just send all. It could be nice to segment them a little bit, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to just choose buyer leads for now. Then I can choose if I want to sync all contacts on first run. So if you have a bunch of leads already in Listing to Leads that you haven't yet sent over to Constant Contact, go ahead and check this box. If instead you just want to start sending leads from today going forward, just uncheck the box. And then once you have those leads, where do you want them sent? Go ahead and click this and you can choose an existing contact list or create a new one. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call it LTL Buyers. And subscribe. We're going to do one final check on exactly what's going on here before we hit this giant button, Activate Sync. I'm going to change the name of this workflow just so I remember. These are buyers. And come on down here, buyers, go into LTL buyer. We also have this filter here, so I can do some additional filtering. For example, maybe I don't want people who give me an empty email. So I only want people who the email is not empty. I could do that. Come on down here to mapping. You can see we do most of this for you. Email, first name, last name. If there's anything else you want to add, you can just hit this plus sign on the field you want to add it to and search for the field from Listing to Leads. Let's go back to the top. Let's try this with phone. Hit the plus sign. There's that phone number. Great. I'll add it right in. This looks good. I'm going to go to the top and activate the sync. Great. The sync is now up and running. We're doing this for buyers. Let's do it for sellers. I'm going to hit this clone button. It's going to create the exact same workflow. This time, I'm going to make a few changes before I activate it for sellers. So I'm going to change the name, change the type, and then I'm going to create a new list called LTL Sellers. That's it. Activate this sync. So there we go. I've now created two syncs, one for buyers, one for sellers. That way I have two lists in Constant Contact so I can send the exact right email at the exact right time. So that's it. That's how you connect Constant Contact to Listing to Leads. Now all those leads you're getting through your awesome landing pages and Listing to Leads, through your marketing efforts there, will automatically get sent to Constant Contact, dropped into your newsletter, so you don't have to remember to import and export and manage those contacts. You can just hop into Constant Contact whenever you get a moment, fire off that beautiful email, stay top of mind with those leads, and get more deals. If you have any questions or need any assistance, give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.